and good evening, good morning, good afternoon, traders and students all around the world. And as you can see, we are seeing the Canadian news event, right? We are seeing NZD-CAD 15-minute chart, we are seeing Canada JPY 15-minute chart, and we are seeing Canada CHF 15-minute chart. So let's see how this is going to play out, huh? Is anybody trading Canadian news? You can say yes, you can say no. But we had the news right now, you know? 2 p.m. GMT. How is everybody doing, right? SL, hello, good morning, good evening. Okay, I think it's time to start the lesson, right? We are going to monitor the pairs. Hello, SL. Hello, Zoelis Patron. How are you? Okay, everybody. Welcome to the class. This is FXPassion broadcasting you live on YouTube. SL says no. Okay, great. And this is Forex Trading Course 101. We are in the beginner module. Today is lesson number 9, everybody. And to remember, what we are trying to do, we are trying to build the 3 pillars, right? Pillar number 1 is the strategy and or the system. Pillar number 2 is the risk management. We are trying to understand how risk management affects our strategy and or the system. And number 3, the big one, the psychology part. We're trying to understand how our psychology affects our risk management decisions and our decisions based on the strategy and system, right? And what do champion beginner traders say about psychology and trading? They are saying, I'm not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. And of course, this is a quote from Mark Douglas. And I have my own quote here on the left, everybody. Hello Paula, hello Husnaini, how are you? When the market scares you, don't be afraid to do the right thing. What is the right thing to do? Well, follow the rules, follow the strategies, follow the concepts, obey the rules. And remember everybody, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide, and the webinars are not trading or investment advice. And for homeworks or questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and my LinkedIn contact. That being said, let's dive into the charts. Let's see what's happening, right? So Canada CHF still down, right? We're going to see what is going to happen, how this candle is going to close. We are going to learn this, everybody, how to news trade. It's a simple news trading strategy called the straddle. Okay, we're going to wait for the candle to close on the 15-minute chart, and then we're going to see how the market is going to behave, right? In the meantime, we are going to continue to build and dwell on the trends, trading concepts, rules. Okay, we're going to continue. So this is from yesterday, everybody. One more time. Rule: in order to draw the trend line, so we need to start from the low to the previous trend line, like in an uptrend. And long term, medium term, short term, or the aggressive one, you can have more than one aggressive trend line. Trading concept: the longer time frame, and talking about time, is stronger than the shorter time frame when we're talking about time. The more the market goes near the long term, the greater the chance of a reversal. As a beginner trader, I should wait for the market to reverse and enter the market with the long term trend line. Medium 2. Okay. So the lesson today is consolidation, and we learned this, we learned about market behavior, right? Market behavior, and we learned that we have an uptrend. Those are the easy one, right? We have an uptrend, we have a downtrend, and then we have the sideways movement, and also called consolidation, right? Where the market's making equal lows and equal highs. Okay, so let's delete this. Okay, now we have the three trend lines. How we are going to trade, everybody, when something like this happens? See? And we have one here. Let's make it red. We have one consolidation here. We have one consolidation here from yesterday, right? And we are done, right? Now the question is, where are we going to lose money? We are going to lose money where and when we don't know that there is a consolidation. Okay, so again, this is a rule, right? Those are rules. Rule. A consolidation is confirmed when we have two highs and two lows with equal values. Okay, so let's say that this is the market, right? And the market is going to do something like this, and something like this, and something like this. Bam. Okay, so we are here. Everybody, are we in consolidation or not? I'm going to show you how easy. So though you are learning really the basics, those are tricks. You are going to learn how we are losing money very easily, because we don't have the understanding or maybe the spatial intelligence. So question, are we in consolidation right now or not? It's a yes or no question, really. Are we in consolidation, everybody? It's a yes or no question. You can say yes, you can say no, you can say I don't know, still okay, right? Who's 90? Hello Passion, waiting for your support and resistance lesson. I have so many questions. Sure. Tari says no. Great. Great answer. What about everybody? You're going to see how easy it is to lose money as a beginner trader. And it's normal, right? We are not judging you, we are just telling you. No, we're trying to explain. No, 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 no. Okay. Now, what about now? What about now? Are we in consolidation? Everybody, are we in consolidation? What about now? You can say no, no, no. And the next question is, how many of you would short the market here? Short the market. Short the market. Should we short the market here? And before you say no, the question is why not? Short the market? And why not? Tari says no. Why not? No, not yet. Okay, should we short the market? Still not confirmed. Yes, sir. No, no. Okay. Should we short the market? The market broke, so I'm a beginner trader. The market broke an uptrend line. you know, and let's say that this short-term trend is, you know, this is the market wave, you know, this is the market wave. We are going to connect this one to this one, and we are going to do it something like this. We learned about the market wave, right? Extension, retracement, extension. 30, 60, 70. Okay, so should we short the market? No, because there are higher highs and higher. Well, we have the first lower low. This is the first lower low. And our market wave, if you can see the yellow line, it's down. We have the first one, it's a lower low. We have the first one, it's a lower low. This is the low, and we have a lower low. Yes, we have. We have the first lower low. Should we short the market? Everybody? No. Okay, what about now? What about now? Should we short the market right now? Should we short the market right now? Everybody? What do we have here? This is a high, this is a lower low, and we have a lower high. And look at the market wave. Should we short the market? You can say yes, you can say no, you can say I don't know. No lower, need two lower highs and two lower lows. You have it. You have two higher highs and you have two lower lows and two lower highs. You have it, everybody. You have it. You have two highs and two lows where the second low is a lower low and the second high is a lower high. You have it. It's in here. This is the channel. You have it right here. Don't tell me no. Let's be honest. Should we short the market? You have lower lows, lower highs. Yes, short. Makes sense, right? Makes sense. Guys, and those, yes, I would have traded, me too. And here is the kicker, everybody. You know, many times, I'm going to delete this one, 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 delete this one. Many times when this is going to happen, you know, it doesn't really matter if you're short or not, and something like this is going to appear. You know? So, and if we are shorting the market, which makes sense, right? What should we do in here? What is this? You know? Maybe we stayed out, maybe not, whatever, you know. What is this? What is this that the market is showing us? The first low is higher low, not lower low. It depends how you look at these values. If you are taking the after the trend line break, the answer is yes. If you are taking all the sequence, the answer is no. Okay? But this is an entry. No doubt about this. From a professional trader standpoint, this is an entry. Those are the early entries. Especially when the market wave is down. You know? And don't worry, everybody, you are going to learn everything, you know, how to be more aggressive, how to be less aggressive, you know, how to wait for 2 lower lows, 2 lower highs after the breakout on the trend line. Okay, so the question is, what is this? What are we looking right now, everybody? What are we looking? Is this an uptrend? Is this a downtrend? You know, what is this? 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, higher high, higher low, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, right? What do you say? Consolidation, how do you know? How do you know it's consolidation? Look at the rule, everybody. It's a beginning of extension. Consolidation 75% confirmed exactly. Exactly. Okay? So rule, consolidation is confirmed when we have 2 highs and 2 lows equal values, right? So I'm going to put this up down in here like this, and clone. I'm going to put this in here. So we have a 75% consolidation. 1 is 25, 2 is 50, 3 is 75. 2 lowers at the same position, not confirming a downtrend or uptrend. So it's a suggestion, everybody. If you are trading and if this happens, just go out. Close the trade. Okay? Close the trade if you see this happening. Why? Because there is an 80% chance that the market is going to go up and stay in consolidation. Okay? Now, if the market is going to break out, and most likely is going to break out, you can still re-enter, right? But until it's breaking out, or maybe it's some support, resistance, pivot point level, then we are going to have a floating loss, we are going to get frustrated, you know? Okay? So, as you can see, everybody, and if this is the daily chart, if this is the daily chart, everybody, or the 4-hour chart, or 1-hour chart, and you are trading the smaller time frame related to the chart, we are going to lose. If this is the daily chart, and I am short on the 1-hour, 2-hour, 4-hour chart, I am going to lose. Why? Because of the stop loss. If this is the 4-hour chart and I am on the 15-minute chart, I'm going to lose again. Why? Because of the stop loss. You know? And if this is the weekly chart too, so the higher time frame controls the smaller time frame, and you need to be careful in here. You know? And you are going to have losing trades in here. Why? Because you cannot predict this, everybody. You cannot predict this. Make sense? Oh, I can predict this, or oh my guru, JP Morgan Chase robot predict this. Doesn't work. You cannot you can, you know, you can say, oh, there is a greatest chance, or there is probability, but you are going to predict this, you are not. Okay? And you are going to learn about crowns. You know, it's a common entry talking about when we are trading, you know, structure or the market wave. You know, this is an entry. So if you are shorting the market in this example and you are seeing double bottoms or something, just get out. It's a suggestion. Oh, I don't like your suggestion, no problem. Just take what you like. You can reject what you don't like. Okay? But we clarified that in order to be confirmed, we need a minimum 2. Right? We need a minimum 2 highs and 2 lows at equal values. Right? Okay? So now let's talk about the probabilities of trading, and hopefully you are going to acquire this mindset, everybody. You know, some of you said yesterday, oh, can we short the market? Should we short the market? Now look at the trend line. Look at the trend line and let's have a friendly talk, everybody. If this is the case, what is high probability and what is low probability? Just give me a second, everybody. So the question is, if this is the case, what is low probability, what is high probability? Give me a second, guys. I need to take something. Okay, sorry about that. Kusnani says, I have a same situation in my chart and it's on a very strong uptrend. Is it true that to trade consolidation should be on the basis of trend direction? Yes and no, it depends. Kusnani, tell me the currency pair and the time frame so we can check. High probability for buy. Okay, why? High go up, low go down. So yes, everybody, you know, talking about probabilities, the higher chance, you know, the higher chance is, so how can you trade, you know? You can buy the bottoms, you can buy at the bottom, and we're going to learn about the candlestick formations, the indicators. You can buy the bottoms or you can sell the ceiling, right? You can sell at the top. It's a way to go, it's a trader's technique, you know. Okay, but if you see the overall trend is up, right? So you can trade, you can go short on the channel, you can go long on the channel, so you can buy and you can sell. But talking about probability, the greater probability is just for the buys and the riskier are the shorts. Okay, the shorts are riskier than the buys. Okay, the shorts are riskier than the buys. Why? Because the overall trend is up. Okay, the overall trend is up. And yes, sometimes the market is going to do this, right? Oh, I just lost, Passion told me to buy, sell. Those are probabilities. Those are probabilities. you know, and yes, sometimes the market is going to do this, right? But 7 times out of 10 is not going to do this, especially if there is some past support in between. Okay, sometimes yes, the market is going to do this. Okay, it's a probability game, for the lack of a better word, you know, but 8 times out of 10 is not going to push lower, and it is going to push higher. You're going to have a breakout on the upside. Okay, I'm going to show an example, everybody. Euro NZD daily chart. Euro NZD daily chart. Hopefully, let's wait for the market. Windows 7. Come on, Windows 7. Come on, Windows 7. There you go. Okay, so Euro NZD daily chart, right? Or maybe weekly chart. Okay, Euro NZD weekly chart, everybody. Tell me, are we in a downtrend or are we in an uptrend? And okay, it's okay. Everybody, Euro NZD weekly chart. Are we in a downtrend or are we in an uptrend? Guys, I'm receiving comments and questions on my email. Can I trade other markets with this knowledge? Most likely not. I mean, trend lines works the same, but there are, in this course, there are some specifics that works just in the Forex market. So be careful, okay? Be careful what you're going to use, what concept, what idea. The stock market and the index market and the crypto market and the commodities market are quite different from the Forex market. Okay? So, Euro New Zealand weekly chart. Are we in a downtrend or are we in an uptrend right now? Uptrend, great. Uptrend, uptrend. Zoelius down. No, it's an uptrend. It's an uptrend, Zoelius. So yes, okay, we are in an uptrend, right? And there you go. So we have this one is the long term, right? And we have the medium term. It's here, right? Now let's go on the 2-hour daily chart. Daily chart, everybody, you know. Daily chart, okay, and we are here. Daily chart, and we are here, right? See, everybody, 1, 2, 3, something like this, right? Okay. Do we agree that this market was in consolidation? Yes. Do we agree that this market was in consolidation on Euro New Zealand daily chart? Husnaini, actually I'm checking every single thing you are teaching me on the stocks, which makes sense. I backtest it too. Okay, great. See, everybody, here is where you are going to lose money. If this is extension, retracement extension, and you don't know that you are in an up retracement, and you don't know that you are in an up retracement, are you going to go short, meaning are you going to sell, or are you going to buy? Whatever the currency pair, whatever the time frame. You are seeing just this part here. What are you going to do? Yes, consolidation, yes, yes, range, okay. So if you are seeing just this, everybody, just this quadrant, then what you are going to do most likely? Are you going to short, are you going to sell, or are you going to buy? Yes, the highlight part is consolidation. Thank you very much. If you are seeing just the quadrant here, you are going to, I'm going to buy. Let's be honest here, you know, you would sell, not buy. Why? Because you are seeing market making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So you need to train yourself, everybody, to not to see just a part of what is doing, right? And I know some of you, right, you've shortened this, you were selling here. Thank you very much for being honest. Sell, 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 right? You would not buy this one. You would sell because you are seeing a downtrend on the daily chart, on the weekly chart. Let's be honest here, you would short the market, you know? And if you'd say buy, buy, I'm going to ask you, why would you buy a downtrend? We would sell. Come on, let's be honest here, guys. Oh yeah, I would buy. You would not buy. Come on. You have no technical reasons to buy, right? Then I would buy. Well, then you are not following the concepts. Why would you buy a downtrend? But sometimes consolidation from change trends too. Yes. I'm just trying to tell you and show you guys how you are losing money easily. So many times we are shorting an up structure inside the sideways channel. So you need to compress the chart. When you see consolidation, everybody, you need to compress the chart and see the big picture. Stay out, I'm not secure to buy or sell. Okay, great answer, fair answer. Compress the chart and you are going to see the big picture. And as you can see, there was a breakout, right? And we learned this concept here. The more the market goes near the long-term trend line, the greater chance of a reversal. This was a great entry, right? And then the market breaks out. Why? Because it's in the direction of the trends and structure and market wave. Stay out, wait to confirm market structure. True, I wouldn't do anything during consolidation, wait for the breakout. Okay, so we are here right now. And this is the market falling, 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 going up and falling down. And okay, we have another one. Do we agree that we have another one? Consolidation here. Right? Now, what is high probability and less probability? Should we wait to go long on this second consolidation, or should we wait to go short, or should we do both ways? What should we do? Everybody, what should we do? Don't worry, there is no right or wrong. We are just talking. Don't be shy. There is no right or wrong. What should we do? Should we go long? Should we go short? What should we do? Everybody? I don't know. Fair answer. Why not? But when we are talking about the concepts, right? talking about the concept, what should we do? Yes, I agree. Yes, long, avoid. I think we have more probability to go up every time it hits the down support. So the answer is up. Why? Because the trends are up, right? So we are following this concept here. You know? You can do both, yes, no problem. Just be aware that shorting the market, it's riskier, okay? So let's make a poll. We are here, this is the market. Should we wait or should we buy or should we sell? What should we do? We are here right now. This is the live market. One more. What should we do here? Right now. Go long from the top. Go short from the top. Go wait for the market to hit the band and go long. What should we do? Wait and buy bottom of the band. Very good. Anybody else? Anybody else? Don't be shy, there is no right or wrong. Tari says, I got your point, what you're trying to tell. So, what we're going to do? Teacher Zuelius, Teacher SL, Teacher Paula, what are we going to do? Wait. Wait for what? And everybody else. Teacher Gamer, what we're going to do? Tari says wait and buy the bottom of the band. Does anybody want to short the market? Maybe? You know? Nobody has courage to short the market? Okay. Well, I am going to short the market and I'm going to buy it too. I'm going to short here. Okay. I'm going to short the market in here. I'm going to put a stop loss above here. Okay. I'm going to short this consolidation. I'm going to put a stop loss above here and I'm going to risk 0.5% because I know it's a less probability trade. Paula says stay out, maybe wait to see it will respect the lower band and then can go long. Wait till it comes back and then trade if, okay? So I'm going to do both, right? Now, this is my risk, okay? Passion told me that I can trade all of them, so I'm going to take this opportunity, right? This is my risk and I'm going to profit take not at the band but a few pips before, right? Okay. Am I going to lose? I don't know. I'm just following the concepts. Am I going to win? I have no idea. I'm just following the rules. So one more, sideways, up. Oh my god, down. I'm in profit. Oh my god, you know. Oh, it's falling. Oh, it's going up. Bam. Oh, I just lost one, right? I just lost in here, right? And this is okay. Passion, how can be okay? We lost. We need to follow the rules and the concepts. Did I do anything wrong? No. I knew that it was less probability trade. I risked 0.5%, maybe less. And if I would manage the trade, because this is the daily chart, right? I was in profit. But maybe I mismanaged the trade, you know? Maybe I'm a beginner trader, I don't know how to manage. You know, I just lost. Right? And this is a skill. We need to accept our losers. And this is one of the psychology part. Professional traders, you know, or beginner traders, you know, I'm not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. It's just one trade. You know? So if you are an aggressive trader, you can do this. Oh, I just lost. Well, welcome to the club. You are going to have losers anyway. You know? Now, let's see what the market is doing. You know, it's going up and down again, right? Now, here is my quote. When the market scares you, don't be afraid to do the right thing. So now I'm scared. Do you think I'm going to short the market again? Guys, can you relate to this way of thinking and feeling? Let's say that I'm a beginner trader. I didn't do anything wrong, but I'm not skilled yet. I didn't manage my trade and I lost. And now the market is reversing again. Do you think I'm going to enter the trade again? Am I going to enter the trade again, risking 0.5% here? Where is the candle? Let me see. So this was the candle, right? The first one, it's out of control, but the second one, we are back in the consolidation. Do you think that I have enough courage to enter again? Or would this be wise or not? I'm telling you, I don't have courage. I'm scared right now. I am scared. So I'm not going to enter the second trade. You know, this was my trade. I just lost. Okay. I'm suffering. I'm stressing out. Man, you know, why did I do this? You have higher high and higher low. Okay. So one more. Sideways, up. Okay, so do you want to buy in here, everybody? SL just saying, oh, we have higher highs, higher lows. Right? We have higher high, higher low. Do you want to buy in here, everybody? Do you want to buy this candle here? One more time, there is no right or wrong. Don't be shy, everybody. We are here to learn. SL, would you go long on this candle? It's a yes or no question, everybody. Would you go long on this candle? SL says you have higher high, higher low. We are not in consolidation anymore. Now, what can we learn from here? Whoops, I just showed you, right? What can we learn from here also is that in this example, everybody, going long or going short, you would not go long because the market didn't confirm. So this is 1, 2, 1, 2. So you would not go long on consolidation. Why not? The market didn't give you the chance. Now still within the bands. Now you are changing stories, SL. It's not still in the bands. Oh, come on, you know? Guys, you cannot learn if you are not honest. First you are saying, oh, we have a higher highs, higher lows, and then because I just show you the next candle, you are changing the story. It's not about being right or wrong. There is no right or wrong. It's about being honest with yourself. What would you do? you know, and don't change stories like this. Stay behind your decision. Still with the bands. What about the higher high, higher low? Yes, confirmed uptrend, yes, I would have. Thank you for being honest. You have all the reasons, everybody, to go long here. And if you say no, please explain why not. Oh, but the market still is sideways. It's not. SL was right. We have higher highs, higher lows. We are not sideways anymore. SL, you were right. We are not sideways. This is not a channel anymore. So no, it's not within the bands anymore. We have a higher high. Can you see the chart? The candle is telling me to buy. I prefer wait to see if it breaks the resistance of consolidation. Okay, fair point. Okay. Sorry, I was wrong. There is no right or wrong, everybody. You can have 10 different traders with 10 different views. Somebody is going to go long, somebody is going to go short. There is no right or wrong. Okay? But yes, this would be a buy, right? We have higher highs, higher lows. Okay? And let's see. Down. So if I'm buying this, well, stop loss. I'm not sure, so I'm going to put my stop loss down here, right? Stop loss down here. I'm not sure what is going to happen. And the market moving sideways. Whoop, what about now? I'm wrong about the uptrend. Euro NZD daily chart, it is in an uptrend. The time is passing, guys, we need to move on. So yes, I would buy, and wow, you know, now in profit again, right? And CSL, I mean, the market is channeling, we are in an up channel. CSL and everybody else, if you would just stick with the rules, and obey the concepts, you know, you would enter here, and you would enter or here, and you would make profit here, you know. Yes, it depends when the stop loss goes, yes, it depends on the risk reward, but nonetheless, up, you know, higher highs, higher lows, you would end up in profit, you know. Now, what's the trick? Passion, I'm scared. And the answer is yes, we are scared when this happens. Okay, yes, we are scared here as beginner traders. Why? Because we need time to understand, and we need time to believe in our education, and we need time to believe in ourselves, and we need time to believe in our strategies, you know. Make sense, everybody? During the classes, just be honest. Yes, I would go long, no problem. Don't change stories because you see the next candle. Stick with what you understand. You would make profits here. Okay? Moving forward, the market's falling down, and the last question for today. So what are we here? What is the market telling us? Are we in consolidation? What is the consolidation? Is this the consolidation? You know, what is the market doing? You know? So what we need to learn today, everybody, is that the market sometimes it's expanding the consolidation. What does this mean? This means that sometimes the market is going to do something like this, and then it's going to do something like this. It can do this, and then it's going to do something like this maybe, and then maybe it's going to do something like this. You know, we have all forms of consolidation, right? Now looking at this chart right now, you know, we have this small, we started with this smaller consolidation, you know, and then we have this bigger one, right? Passion, what should we do? Adjust your stop loss levels, adjust your trading, reassess, take a losing trade, it's okay, you know, and follow. So one of the best concept, and trade what you see. Hello MHB, how are you? Market is in range and it starts making higher highs and lows, breaking the range. What sometimes the market will be trending and comes back in the range. Why? It's answer. It's normal behavior. It's normal behavior. Okay, but you know, so this is, we are showing you how to how we lose money, right? Okay, how not to lose money. How not to lose money. How not to lose money. Trade the bigger patterns. How not to lose money. Answer. Trade the bigger patterns. Bigger patterns. This is the answer. How not to lose money. You know, instead of trading this, you know, instead of trading the blue one, trade the red one. This is the answer. Okay, everybody, our time is up. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, next level number 2. If you want to start your own trading business, or academy, or college, or, you know, trading academy, and attract investors, connect and we will talk about your needs and wishes and find a specific business model for your trading business. Okay, next level number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the bottom line.